Now, to create our curtain wall Revit architecture, you click here, you go to here, this curtain wall, you click on this one, you click on this place, draw our curtain wall. You draw your curtain wall. So maybe you go to your 3D, you can see your curtain wall. You go to 3D. If if it's not up, you can drag. You can drag it to the height you want, or you can click on it and set your height. So after getting this is not frameless. You want to set it to frameless. What you do is you hover your cursor on it. When you see the line and you click on this, then when you see this point here, you click on the point. When you click on the point, it means you want to change this. First thing you do is just to delete this. Let's say you delete this. You hover your cursor here, delete. You go here, cancel, and you right click and delete. Then you come here, you hover our cursor here, you click on it, you go here on this panel curtain wall, you click on this is our curtain wall. This, you click on it, this curtain wall, this is window curtain wall. You click on it and you say apply, and you say okay. You have gotten this window, so you have to delete this.